A provider of industrial, residential, and commercial plumbing services was growing, and their traditional work order processes were not keeping pace. They also needed greater flexibility in scheduling and managing field service operations, as well as the ability to track online payment information. Fast Slow Motion began the process of addressing these issues by transitioning the client from Classic to Lightning experience. From there, we implemented and configured Field Service Lightning. In order to configure Field Service Lightning for the client's needs, we needed to categorize the client's technicians according to their specialty so they could be assigned appropriately to service appointments. Next, we configured work orders so that they could include multiple service appointments, which is necessary in instances when multiple visits or follow-up appointments are needed. Appointments then appear on the dispatcher console, which gives an overview of scheduled appointments, technicians assigned to those appointments, and appointment details. We also wrote service report templates so that when a job is complete, technicians can generate an invoice with service details on site and email it to the appropriate recipient directly from the mobile app. Finally, Fast Slow Motion integrated Stripe into the client's Salesforce org so that they could accept and track online payments. Payments are processed through the Stripe Payment Gateway, and relevant payment information, including paid date, payment type, and reference number, is recorded on the work order. Now, the client can dispatch work orders and manage employees from the dispatcher console. Technicians can more easily complete their service reports and invoices on site, and they can easily process payments online and document payment details. At Fast Slow Motion, we've helped hundreds of growing businesses improve their operations and deliver better results by implementing and enhancing Salesforce. For more information about us, please visit fastslowmotion.com and be sure to read our client reviews on AppExchange.